Let's talk speed of light, because construction has been moving at the speed of light, and in just 1 month we are super proud of how far we've come with development right here at Eko Paragon Residence. Aside from its prime location, Eko Paragon offers other top tier amenities. Think stable power supply, gym house, security, fine dining, valet parking, health and fitness center, and a perfect sea of O title. Should I keep going? But here is the catch. You can either decide to live in your unit or lease it out as a short-let. We handle the client booking and management while you earn hassle-free. From February 10th, the new price increase will take effect. Our 3-bedroom unit will now become 105 million naira, while the 2-bedroom becomes 75 million and the 1-bedroom becomes 65 million. So the best time to lock down our current price is now.